Derek with the Eliminex. We're here getting ready to prep for termite treatment. We have the foamer here, patch the termite rod that treats the outside soil, and then inside, because there's no basement and termites are coming through. Termites are coming through the wall here, so they're under the window. So we need to treat this sub slab. He's taking up the carpet and putting new hardwood floors. That's why he's hiring me, because he doesn't want to put the hardwood floors down and then termites eat the new floors. So I'm going to inject termiticide throughout this length of the wall here, adjacent to the other unit in this townhouse, and then treat this wall, and then treat this utility room. I'm going to put foam in here because there's pipes going into the ground, and you don't want to be drilling in here and taking chances. I tested with the ground fault protector on my drill. I tested it out, and it is grounding out and shutting my drill off, but I still don't want to take any chances. I have too much experience to know better. So I'm going to put foam in this wall to take care of the termites that are like finding their way up in this part in the middle of the house, and then they should transfer and kill the rest of the termites, so I don't have to go crazy. I'll treat the back of the townhouse on the extended soil, just on this one unit, and call it a day. Average treatment like this will take 3 hours. Some of the bigger jobs I'll have 2 guys do it. 1 guy per house is all you need, really. The other guy is basically for safety, checking the basement to see if there's any leaks when you're pumping in chemical, injecting. He checks the interior of the basement to see if there's any leaking, stuff like that. But other than that, one man's all you need. As long as you have the supervisor, which is me, on call, that's considered under direct supervision. All right, have a good day. Thank you for watching.